Baby, y'all see them steaks? Y'all see them steaks? Yum, yum, yummy. Yummy for my tummy. My forehead looks so big. Why it looks so big? My forehead big. I know he didn't agree. Mango. Stop saying apple. Mango. Good job. Y'all heard it. My baby say mango. Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki, and here on my channel I basically do my everyday life, just vlog a lot of mommy and me content. So if that's something that you would like to see, and yeah, come over here, girl. But anyways, babe said he's gonna cook today, so anytime babe say he gonna cook, baby, I am ready. So I went to the store and got the few little things that he was missing. Some broccoli. I got some potatoes. He needed some milk. So me and Layla went to the store and got that. So baby's in the kitchen. Cooking it up. Hey, baby. Man.
Layla loves my corn. Nothing, baby. Corn season, I use this Jamaican jerk, you know. That's what I do all the time. Kids love it, you know. You eyeball it. You know. I always do a little something extra on it. Just a little extra. Yeah, eyeball like that.
Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did.
Now, my famous, delicious broccoli. Nothing special. Dang, this butter. We got the corn going. Some Tony's, some garlic, and some black pepper.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up.
Hey, steaming, y'all. Got that steak. Get that steak, baby. Ooh. So what strip is this, baby?
New York strip.
New York strip steak. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. We about to eat good tonight, baby. Look who here. She can pull up her chair like she about to help cook. You about to help cook? You gonna help cook? Where's my light? I need to turn my light. Baby, y'all see them steaks? Y'all see them steaks? Yum, yum, yummy. Yummy for my tummy. My forehead looks so big. Why it looks so big? My forehead big. I know he didn't agree. I'm trying to use this mic. Let me see. Okay. It say that it's on. I hope y'all can hear me. Let's put this mic on. But shout out to Babe. He got me the DJI Pocket 3 for Christmas. And child, I just been trying to learn this camera. So y'all know my last vlog, I did the voiceover. Because for some reason it got filmed in slow motion. But now I'm learning. I hope it's not in slow motion. I tried to check. I filmed something and I put it in my USB cord. And it showed normal. So we're going to see. Ooh. His little temperature meter and everything. He ain't playing. How you zoom in with this camera? Do it like this. Scared the crap out of me. Let me taste some. It's good. Y'all, we about to start. Yeah, I know we eating our steak today, but we about to start our little juice diet. So, babe got a bunch of fruits over here. We got some organic cucumbers. Hold on. I'm about to try the steak. Like something sweet. I'll rinse that one off. Like a sweet caramel. Something. There's some apples. Layla got a mango. She putting on her mouth that ain't been clean. Put that down. Some oranges. So yeah, I don't know when we're going. I probably start prepping it tomorrow. And I got my juicer. Just got that on Amazon like 2 days ago. So we about to juice. I said I was gonna go to the gym today. Did I go? No. But I might go in the morning. Maybe. Let me check on this broccoli. Broccoli ain't doing nothing. Water ain't even boiled. What's up with that? But I put this in the front. It's not no apple. I'm trying to go up higher. I guess you can go up higher. My bad, y'all. Yeah, it ain't like the last time. I ain't gonna talk about that. Get out of my way. Y'all excuse this. I'm trying to take these off. Got 3 over here and 4 over here I need to take off. And my daughter supposed to be a nail tech. What's going on? Is Layla gonna be a YouTuber? You love the camera? That's not an apple, that's a mango. Say mango. Mango. Say mango. Mango. Stop saying apple. Mango. Good job. Y'all heard it. My baby say mango. What's this? What's this? Say kiwi. Look. Say kiwi. See, I want to learn that one. What's going on? So much steam coming out of them. It's finally boiling. My water wasn't boiling for a minute. I didn't know what was going on. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Potatoes still in the oven. I don't know how long that's going to take. But the meat pretty much done. So we're about to eat good tonight. Remember, I don't never eat this late, but...
At 5 in the morning, I wake up to fight for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. I tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. Only stops have trouble me.
Season. Let's wash these few little dishes here. Man, this spoon got a soak. Y'all, we had a Christmas party, and she was over here. Step up here to get. We had some fruit snacks up there. Child, the whole family's about to be in the panda. They're like, oh my gosh, it's up there on the counter. I'm like, baby, she does this on a daily. Scaring everybody half to death for her hopping on that counter like that. I said, child, we definitely got to get her in some gymnastics. Hot, hot. You. All right, we're waiting. I didn't tell y'all what happened. I thought I was telling y'all what happened, but the way it was filmed, it was in slow motion. And you know, in slow motion, when you film in slow motion, there's no sound. So I was able to fix it to make it faster. Like I said, when you film in slow motion, it's no sound and there's no way to fix that. So that's why I had to do a voiceover. Like I said, I got this camera for Christmas, but I had my old ZV-1 Sony camera that baby got me like 2 years ago. So we had a Christmas party here at our house, and I filmed that. Plus I filmed when we went to Dallas, his family, when we had Christmas at his parents' house. And then for New Year's Eve, me and the girls went to his job. I filmed all that. Tell me why we go to the grocery store. I bring my camera like I'm gonna get ready to film. I dropped the dang on camera in the parking lot. And with this camera, it's like a really small SIM card that you put in on the side. Card is just the regular size SD card, but it has like a little small little chip inside, so you're able to remove that, and that's what you put inside this camera. But with the other one, everything is all in that big chip. So you put it in there, you lock it, you close it, everything is closed. Here, everything is exposed. So the little chip is inside there, but you can see where you insert it and all that. So I'm like, that's not safe. So yeah, I dropped my camera. So I guess when I dropped it, it fell out on the ground. So when I got ready to go in the store, I was going to film us buying groceries at Child, when you have a toddler, stuff like that be happening. Anyways, let me wrap this story up. So what I was saying, yeah, the whole chip fell out. So when I got ready to film in the grocery store, I'm like, it's saying no SIM card. Got home, couldn't find a SIM card. I said, you know what? It's at that store in the parking lot where I dropped it. So I remember where we parked. So I drove back over there, found it. When I tell you it's this little, I just circled back to where I was and where I dropped. I said, gotta be in this area. Found it right then and there. Child, somebody ended up running it over. I'm like, that little bitty thing, somebody managed to get their freaking tire on it. I'm like, dang. So found it, but I mean, what good was that? So all my footage, all that is gone. So that was the one time. So I went to Best Buy to go get another SIM card. Got the SIM card. I'm telling you, like 2 hours. Got home, put the SIM card in my phone, in my camera, start filming. Only filmed right there in the kitchen. I had put it like up in the window because I was cooking. So once I was done cooking, I took the camera, set it on the table, press record. Why say no SIM card? I said, what the hell? Looked on the side, SIM card gone. And tell me why that SIM card is $48. So, you know, I was pissed. So I started looking around the house. I still haven't found it. That is crazy. And like, I literally only filmed in the kitchen. I still can't believe I couldn't find it. So I got pissed off. Babe got home. Of course, that solution. Babe, don't worry about that. We'll go buy another one. That's besides the point. The fact that it keep coming out, now I'm scared to even film on this camera. And then I spent my $48. Ain't about spending yours. I spent mine. I can't get that back. Even if you buy another one, I'm still going to be mad about it, right? So he was like, well, said maybe when you take the camera back and see if it's defective or something. Because why is it spitting this chip out? Like, yeah, I dropped it that time. Or maybe I did something when I dropped it. It made it loose or something. Like, oh, that's gonna affect the warranty. We will give you another camera, but there are scratches on it. I said, they put the chip in there. Of course, it's not gonna come out while it's at the store. So he ended up leaving, bringing the chip back home. So far it's been a camera, but it just make me nervous filming with it because I'm like, I've been filming 5 days straight. All my footage gone. So, child, that's what it's been like having this Pocket 3. And none of you girlies told me nothing about that. So I'm very upset. I know, let's wait on this food. Here's my hot potato. So, here's my potato. The whole thing, so I'm just gonna put it in here.
You're dropping famine, natural disasters. My baby is built around me. Kingdom to fallen, angel.
All right, we're about to eat, y'all. Hope y'all can see the plate. My steak, corn, broccoli, and potato. Layla over here eating her corn, some grapes, and some chicken. Yeah, she's a chicken eater. Thank you, God, for this food. Y'all said y'all prayers, and know everybody digging in. Amen. It's good, baby.
Cold.
Well, you know you like your food cold, so I didn't warm it up. I like my food steaming hot. All right, y'all. About to finish our dinner. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll catch y'all in the next one.
Saving you is a heart of a